To my kitchen, we are doing oatmeal cookies. They're quick and easy. Let me tell you what you need. In this bowl, I have 1 cup of all-purpose flour. I have 1 teaspoon of baking soda. I have 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. I have 1.5 cups of oatmeal. We're gonna sit that right there. Right here, I have 1 cup of brown sugar. So this 1 cup of brown sugar, I'm putting 1 egg. I'm going to add in 1 stick of unsalted butter. Look, I said unsalted butter. Unsalted butter.
Okay.
At room temperature. I had that all crazy, right? Mm-hmm. And we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Guys, remember, I like good vanilla. This is a good vanilla right here by Walmart. I love it when I run out of my Madagascar. Okay? You're going to need your favorite cookie sheet and something that, I ain't plugged up.
Gotta plug in, SoulfulT.
Gotta plug in, right? Okay, here we go. Oven 350, you guys, for 10 minutes in the oven. Okay, my dry ingredients, I'm mixing up. And if you want to make a larger batch, you just double everything. These cookies are good for raisins. You can do walnuts, pecans, raisins, chocolate chips. However you like your chocolate chip cookies. I say your chocolate chip cookies, your oatmeal cookies. You can add whatever you want into it. Okay. In my dry ingredients go. These are straight oatmeal, no raisins, no anything. Gotta get it all in there. There you go. Pull out your cookie sheet. If you don't have a non-stick cookie sheet, guys, put some parchment paper on here. I have a cookie scoop. You can use some spoons. You can use a cookie scoop. You can put it in your hands, make a little ball. But I love the cookie scoop because they ensure even cookies. Okay, we're gonna be right back. I'll place these in the oven on 350 for 10 minutes. So guys, this is how your cookie's gonna look on your cookie sheet, spaced out. I'm sorry, I said I was gone, but I wanted to show you guys what they look like on the cookie sheet. So now we're gonna put them in the oven on 350 for 10 minutes, and then we'll be back. Okay, we back. Look at my cookies. They came out so good, guys. And you can let these sit on a cookie, what's the thing it's called? A baking rack. I just let them cool right here. And guys, I actually did 12 minutes. It's on 350. Look at them. Golden brown. They smell awesome. And if you don't cook all your cookies, you can put it in the refrigerator in a good container with a top. And guys, and it lasts you for a second, maybe 10 days or so. Oh, goodness. Oatmeal cookies.
We about to eat these.
They're about to eat them because I do not like oatmeal cookies. But, look at these. Chewy and gooey. My hands shake, I don't know why. Want to taste one?
Yeah.
What it tastes like?
That's good. Crunchy on the outside, chewy on the inside.
Yeah.
Nice and warm. I love oatmeal cookies.
Yeah, and they smell good. Remember, you can add. He don't finish that. And remember, you can add your favorites: walnuts, chocolate chips, white chocolate chips, anything that you raisins. These are just straight oatmeal, because that's how they like it in my house. Guys, until my next video. Thanks for coming in my kitchen. Like, share, and subscribe. Until tomorrow. How I make my kale.
Okay.
Look good, right?
I forgot it was kale. I thought I was looking at collard greens.
And we're gonna do some fried chicken with that for the kids. But yeah.